Nice two-door unit. Thermostat's maxed out. Compressor doesn't feel hot. So the unit just satisfied, 35, thermostat is maxed out. So the unit is satisfied. So I did change out the thermostat maybe about a month ago. I'm not sure what I used. It might have been an A12-15-16. I'm gonna go with the A12-700. Supposed to cut in at 37, a little colder, will be better. I'm gonna change it out. Yep, bad thermostat. Open it up. Order installed. Watch it pull down to temperature. Just kicked on.
This one's thicker.
I'm just satisfied right now.
No quites nada yo.
It's a wrap.